What happens when you share a file on Google Drive? There are many perks that come with Google Drive, such as the program's integration with other Google products like Gmail, Docs, and Calendar. The downside of this seamless integration is your data being stored on the web. But how would you feel if everything was at risk because of simple file sharing act? Learn more in this article by reading about how Google protects users from malware and viruses. While the main and most obvious benefit of using Google's Drive cloud storage service would be to save your files in the cloud, once you sign up with an account, you get free 20 GB of storage. But after reaching that initial chunk of space, those extra gigabytes won't cost you any extra either. It seems like an ideal deal. A small portion of their data is stored on their infrastructure at all times. Although Google has a clever 80/20 rule regarding personal. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a file sharing service that allows users to privately place their data online for free. Anything that can be saved in a Word document, photo, or spreadsheet can be placed on the drive by connecting your Google account and accepting the terms of service. Sharing files is as easy as sending someone a link, creating a list of folders, or dragging folders into any open space on your local computer. However, Google Drive comes with some restrictions. Only 3 GB can be synced with each device that has a Google account. This includes any phones or tablets created through Google's system. Storage is unlimited except on the mobile devices, but will quickly become insufficient if an additional 2 GB of space isn't purchased. In addition to the file sharing capabilities, the software allows you to access an online database, which is one of the main reasons it was released in the first place. If searching how to share a file on Google Drive, one favorite feature of Google Drive is the ability to share files with friends, colleagues, or even someone you'd like to collaborate with. Once a file has been shared, there's actually no limit to how many times it can be downloaded and edited. This allows the files to be updated on various devices around the world. One downside of sharing files on Google Drive is that each time you make a file available, it takes over the space for new files. This means that if you keep adding files to your Google Drive, and others continue to download them, there's not enough space for new content. One solution is to clean up old files regularly. To ensure that you stay within allotted space in Google Drive, follow these steps. All photos are automatically stored in Google Photos, location on all devices running Google. Can you share a file once it's uploaded to your Google Drive? One way to share files is using Google Drive, but some worry about privacy. Although there are settings that can be changed to allow sharing of the file from your computer to someone else's, it doesn't happen automatically when a file is uploaded. The person who owns the file has the ability to change this within their settings for edits and sharing purposes. What does Google Docs, Sheets, and Presentations have to do with USB 3.0? Well, not much, so far. First off, I've never used Google Drive for any of these types of files and don't think I'll be doing so anytime soon. But let's assume the company truly wants to push mobile use of the cloud more in its services offerings. While it is possible the consumer could use one of their public folders to store, deleting files from your Google Drive in order to prevent unwanted attachments and data download, you should click on the drop-down menu in the top right corner of Google Drive. Here, you can select your current storage from personal and select delete files older than X days. As described in the Google Drive help article, doing so could improve your performance by it won't take up much storage space on Google Drive. Also read, the best free online photo editor of 2018. Step 2. Disable EarthServer entirely on your iMac. If you don't want redundant video surveillance, but still think you can use Thunderbird, map services like MapQuest and Google Street View, then do not hesitate to disable the EarthServer plugin in Thunderbird.